Here we're entering Hoover Dam, and the security was scanning the bus in order for us to go in to the Hoover Dam.
Remember the color of the water, during the walking tour we'll show you, the Colorado River, and then we'll tell you why the color of the water inside of the canyon is completely different. And if you take a look in front of us, you can see the Arizona sign because we are entering Arizona now. We're going to spend all day in Arizona today. Remember the color of the water, during the walking tour we'll show you, the Colorado River, and then we'll tell you why the color of the water inside of the canyon is completely different. And if you take a look in front of us, you can see the Arizona sign because we are entering Arizona now. We're going to spend all day in Arizona today. Okay, so just in case of the flag, the water will go back